In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes using Turbotax. Filing taxes can often feel overwhelming, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll find it's much more manageable than you think. Turbotax is a popular tool that can make this process easier by guiding you step by step through your tax return. Let's dive in and go through the process together. First, open your browser and head over to the TurboTax official website. You can easily find it by searching for TurboTax or just type turbotaxtax.intuit.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the sign in button. It's usually on the top right corner of the page. Click it to begin your login process. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can create one on this same page by following the easy instructions they provide. After you log in, you'll be redirected to the TurboTax home screen. Here you'll see many options, but primarily you should focus on the Review/Edit section. This is where you can access all the details of your current tax year return. Click on that and you will be prompted to check your information or make any necessary adjustments based on updates or corrections you might have learned since beginning your filing. After reviewing, navigate to the Personal Profile section. This step is all about ensuring your personal details are up to date. You'll need to enter or verify your information such as your name, social security number and address, among other things. Accuracy at this stage is crucial, so double check your entries to avoid any potential issues later on. Now that you have completed your personal profile, it's time to report your income. This is the section where you will input various income sources like your W-2 from your employer, or any 1099 forms if you did freelance or contract work. TurboTax will guide you through this part, providing explanations for each field you need to fill out. Remember, having all your documents handy makes this part smoother and helps prevent any rushing around last minute. Finally, once you've entered all your income, TurboTax will proceed with the calculations and let you know how your deductions and credits affect your return. Double check everything you've entered to make sure it's correct and true to your knowledge before you decide to file. With these steps completed, you'll be prepared to wrap up your tax filing process confidently. TurboTax also offers a final review to ensure all your bases are covered. Filing through TurboTax can truly simplify the tax season if you follow each step diligently. Thank you for watching, and here's to making tax season a breeze with TurboTax.